Hello guys, just created my oscilloscope using this TFT LCD display, and my sensor is this piezo element. It's a Chinese product, so the colors are not perfect, but at least I will show you that if I apply little force I can get a nice graph. I will upload the code later on. I've just used the analog reference to configure the maximum voltage I can get from my display, and yeah, I will stay tuned. I will upload the code, but in few days I will create an updated version, like a floating style oscilloscope. Thank you very much for watching.